Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by stabilizing the watch. Place it on a cushioned stand or brass anvil so the balance runs freely. Next, power on the Weishi and connect the microphone or contact sensor. Make sure input gain is audible but not clipping. Set the watch's beat rate, 21, 600 or 28, 800 for example, and press start to begin capturing ticks. This first capture gives baseline amplitude and beat error. Once you have that, you're ready to move into measured positions. Once running, record systematic positions, dial up, dial down, crown left and right, so you can see positional variance. 5 positions gives a full picture. Watch amplitude, rate and beat error live, amplitude under 200 degrees or big beat error over 0. 5 ms indicates action is needed. Use the software's averaging window to smooth values and compare position-to-position drift, because consistent differences point to poising or hairspring issues. If you see irregular spikes, make sure the sensor contact and bench are stable before interpreting. To finish, stop the capture and save the session with clear notes, date, temperature, positions measured, and the set beat rate, so you can compare later. Make incremental regulator adjustments and rerun measurements until rate and beat error are within spec. If necessary, address hairspring alignment or poising. If amplitude remains low or irregular, troubleshoot. Ensure sensor contact is solid, isolate bench vibration, and inspect mainspring and lubrication. If problem
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.